A gracious day to all of you. This is Sai Kiran Yaka. Why I'm here is I want to introduce myself to the world to get new opportunities in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence and as well as computer vision background. And for that, I want to introduce myself and my background and what are the internships I have done previously and in order to make fulfillment to get those roles. Okay, then this is Sai Kiran Yaka. Currently, I'm pursuing my final year of my graduation in the Department of Electronics and Communications at Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies, which was run by Government of Andhra Pradesh. And my CGP aggregate till now is 8.77 out of 10 points. And coming to my professional skills, I'm proficient in Python programming skills and as well as OOPS through C++. And I'm very purely interested in the field of machine learning concepts and as well as artificial intelligence. And coming to the experiences, what I have done till now is I have previously worked as an academic specialist as a part-time trainer for the class of 10 students, where I have tutored several students all over the India of CBSE and ICSE background people, and where I have learned how management skills, how to deal with the student and how to give feedback and how to get feedback from them and how to mold myself in order to make fulfillment to the good results of the student. This is what I have learned from my that experience. And recent and in the year of 2022, I'm the grand finalist of road safety hackathon competition, which was conducted by government of India and collaboratively with IIT Delhi. And this is also one of my good achievement and good experience also because I have interaction with the industry people which was assigned by the IIT Delhi, where I have learned so many things from the industry experts. And recently in the month of May and June, and I done an summer internship under the professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Jatoth sir, where I have learned so many things about what is machine learning, how to apply those concepts in the realistic data, and this is what I have learned so many things from the sir, and as well as I moved with PhD scholars, which who are working under the professor, and I taken so many inputs from them and how to choose right path because so many solutions are there for a question, but we have to choose what is right path, isn't it? So um, all over the I wrote a document which was all about the summer internship with NIT Warangal. I'm showing my document here. I think a document is visible. This was the certificate paper. We're actually three members as a group, and we done projects under the supervision of Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Jatoth, and who is the professor at NIT Warangal, and he's from the Department of Electronics and Communications. These are all the contents and these are all the things what we have done in the duration of internship. And we done so many things: regression algorithm, multilinear linear regression, logistic, k-means, and back propagation of neural networks, decision tree classification, and convolution neural networks, and finally how to create intellectual property using hardware description language and image processing on field programming, gate array board, that is zynq board, and edge detection. These are all the things we have done during the learning stage. And my final project is we have implemented a multi-layer perceptron on FPGA zynq board, which is prototyping board, which was using in the industry purpose also. And this project, we have used the dataset called handwritten digit recognition. Oh, I think you are very familiar with this dataset. Okay, these are all my concept, and I want to show some on the yes. Really, we have learned so many things from the internship. And this is was image processing on zynq board. And we can search so many filters on website, and we'll be having so many filters. So we our main motto is we need to detect edges, and based upon that we have to blur the image. So for that purpose, we need to add padding to the four corners of the matrix, like this zero padding concept we have used here, and we have used line buffers also. And for the edge detection purpose, we used the kernel. This was the kernel we have used, and the final output I will show, which was really amazing output. Just wait. Yeah, this was the final output of the blur. This was the blurred image, and this was the original image. So we can achieve so many things using line buffers concept and the zero padding concept and all. And we also detect edges of the image using Sobel filter. Sobel filter is a two-dimensional filter. That means we'll be having x and y coordinates. For how to detect edges means a simple concept. That means whenever the intensity of the image is a drastic change from a point to point, then we conclude there is a edge on that particular area. So based upon that concept, we using Sobel filter here. And this was the final magnitude and final direction of where the edge was located. And final output is like this. See, this was really amazing, right? So our final project is we have implemented a multi-layer perceptron. This was a we have implemented a perceptron on hardware. Why we are going for the hardware means, so by using software will be having so much of delay and so much of time taken. For that purpose, we shifted to the hardware model. So here we used for the prototyping purpose, we have used zynq board, which was one of the series in FPGA family, field programming and gate array family. And we used one more thing is hardware description language. We have used Verilog hardware description language. And we have used Xilinx also. And this is the basic structure and basic outline of our project. This, for example, we are giving inputs to the neuron, and we have in the meanwhile we have to give the weights also. And for that, this was the interface and control logic. And after adding bias and after doing some weighted sums, and we need to pass through the activation function, and finally we are computing the output of a neuron. And in that pattern, we have to compute all the outputs of the neurons, and which was passes through the activation function. Again, it will pass another layer of the neurons and activation function. In the meanwhile, we are achieving great quality of that means great quality of accuracy. And here in this project we achieved, it is about 95% of accuracy. I will show here. Just wait for a while. Yeah, even for this project we used IEEE based conference paper as a base paper, and that conference paper has 90% of accuracy, but we achieved totally 96%, I think so. Just wait. We achieved about 95% of accuracy. These are the weights as a memory. Previously, we have computed the weights and we store it as a file, and we are importing the file into the program, hardware program. In this way, we are doing, and here we use the concept of line buffers. It is 16-bit line buffers we have used it here. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, uh, we have we have we have achieved 91% of accuracy. It is really good accuracy because using a softmax we achieve 91%, but we have achieved accuracy 98% using hardmax function. I think you are aware about these activation functions. So we totally achieved a very good accuracy rather than that IEEE paper. And now we are working on writing the IEEE paper to question that particular base paper. And in the coming couple of months, we are interested to write paper and publish on the website also. And this is what about our project. And we have worked on several data sets, that is breast cancer and so many things, breast cancer, income, and the brain data sets, and as well as some weather forecasting reports using we analyzed those weather forecast using decision tree algorithm, and so many things we have done during the internship. This is about our internship, which was a very great and huge motivation to achieve our future aspirations. And I'm really thankful to the professor, Dr. Ravi Kumar sir, and as well as his his and PhD scholars who are doing under the professor. And really, we have to show our gratitude to them. Really thankful to them because we have learned so many things from that. So this is what about my internship, and this is more not my requesting. I'm showing my potential in the field of machine learning also. That is what I'm telling. And coming to the recently, I have done one more internship from CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Hyderabad. This is what certification which was given by CDAC collaboratively with IIT Roorkee, which was supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This is what certification and with merit of 1 month course on quantum computing using indigenous quantum simulator QSIM. In this internship also I have learned so many things, and which was very useful for my career also. And now I'm showing my LinkedIn profile. This is what about my profile. And yeah, this is what my previous experiences. I have worked as an academic specialist at Byju's, mathematics tutor at Philo and Chegg Incorporation, and finally summer internship. And this is what my education qualification. I secured 10 out of 10 CGPA in my 10th board examinations, which was conducted by AP board, and I'm the recipient of Pratibha Award for the excellence in 10th board examinations. And in my 12th grade, I secured 9.4 GPA, and present I'm continuing with 8.77. And these are the certifications of myself. Yeah, these are the skills: pandas, Python programming, and NumPy, machine learning, deep learning, FPGA prototyping, and Tinkercad and Scratch. And finally, I passed the three programming language test, which was conducted by LinkedIn. This is what about myself. I think you are getting what I'm saying till now. Yeah, till now I said about my experiences in the internships and my achievements in the field of education, and my experiences being a tutor, and my experiences being a intern, summer intern at CDAC and as well as NIT Warangal. And finally, I want to clear about myself, that is I learned so many things from the internship, being a professional machine learning intern at NIT Warangal, and as well as I have theoretical knowledge in the field of machine learning, and looking forward for the roles of learning and computer vision roles. I think this video is very informative to the people who are willing to do internships in these fields. I think so. And this is this is for now, and I'm winding up the session today. And thank you so much for accepting my words till now. Thank you.